Okay, this is a tale of two radios, and I'm making this for my friend 390 Wagon Master. He's missing the power cord for his high gain 623 single sideband, and something went jogging through my memory, and sure enough, here's the power connection on the back of the 623. And there's the power connection on the back of the Siltronix 1011. Looks awful familiar, doesn't it? That's because they are the same. I can take the power cord from my 623, plug it right into the back of the Siltronix. Now, the difference is in the wiring. I'll add this here. This is what your power plug looks like for the high gain 623. And this is what the power plug looks like for the Siltronix. So they still sell these on eBay. So if you want to get a 623 going, all you have to do is to buy the plug for the 1011 and rewire it. Just like it shows there in the schematic. Your AC goes to pins 1 and 10. There's a jumper between 9 and 11 for the 623. So if you're using a Siltronix plug, you have to do a little bit more maneuvering. That's it.